Macaws are vibrant and intelligent parrots native to Central and South America. Their most striking feature is their brilliant plumage, which comes in a range of vibrant colors. Known for their strong beaks, macaws use them to crack open nuts and seeds. These social birds are highly vocal and communicate with squawks, screams, and calls. Macaws are monogamous and often form strong bonds with their mates, engaging in mutual grooming and displays of affection. Unfortunately, their populations are threatened by habitat loss and the illegal pet trade, making conservation efforts vital for their survival.